Hi guys, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to distinguish Superhard from low friction small diameter tires. Let's go! Now, there are three types of small diameter tires. There's hard, super hard, and low friction. Hard tires are easy to identify. They are soft and comes with different colors like blue, white, red, purple, and black. Now the question is, how can you tell if it's a super hard or low friction, especially the black ones? First, let's start with the texture. Now super hard is a bit grippy than low friction. Okay? Then next, super hard is softer than low friction. Now let's weigh the super hard. It's 1.9. And then next, let's weigh the low friction. It's 1.7. Now, super hard is heavier than the low fric. So that's it for the quick tips and tricks on how to differentiate super hard from low friction. Thanks for watching. See ya. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.